Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Snow, snow, snow. Got out the snowblower. I bought that last year when we moved here. It's an electric snowblower, and I never used it because when we moved here, there was a blizzard forecast on the way on the day we were supposed to start unloading the truck. And I bought this thing, got a good deal on it last year, brand new in the box, and never pulled it out of the garage till today. I plowed through paths all over the place. See, we're doing some spring cleaning here. The truck didn't come though because the roads are bad. It melted a lot, but we had 8 to 12 inches of snow on the ground, and then today it warmed up a little and it melted, and we're supposed to get another 6 inches. So here you can see some deeper pathways where it didn't melt as much. Around here where the sun was able to reach in, it reduced some. The car is buried. I haven't got it out yet. But I did snowblow around it, and I just didn't get the car uncovered yet. It was exhausting. Using a extension cord with an electric snowblower is quite a job, I'll tell you. I've got to get a real gas snowblower soon, but this year I made it through with a shovel, surprisingly. And then I went out, I am using the wheelbarrow. I shoveled a path through the woods all the way across the land. I actually shoveled this by hand yesterday, all the way across the land, out through the yard, across the road, and into the woods on the other side. I hand shoveled this whole path yesterday. 8 inches of snow it was at the time, all the way through the property onto the second property. And then I redid it again today, and it's already snowing and filling that up. But I've been hauling firewood out of the forest like this with my wheelbarrow. We had a nice, beautiful run of weather, but it's gone. Another 6 inches of snow on the way today, is what they're saying. So life on the homestead right now is just a matter of shoveling snow and keeping the house warm, cutting firewood, feeding the wood stove, which has been burning a lot for some odd reason, and trying to keep the house warm. And that's it. Did a couple runs into town to get some more gas. I had a friend with a four-wheel drive truck come and get me today. Got gas for the chainsaw, because at that time this was really deep and there was no way I was getting the car out. By the way, the wheel hub is shot on this, so I'm not driving it anyway. At this time, this is an emergency only vehicle, and we don't have any fully functional vehicles at this moment, but the part is on the way. It's just, I don't want to do that in this, but it's on the way. So we'll get that switched out soon. And that's pretty much it. No solar power. You can get an idea how deep the snow is on the car after it even melted. So anyway, just wanted to give you a little bit of a video, a little bit of an update what's going on here at the homestead. Oh yeah, because my car is not roadworthy at this time, my friend took us over to Tractor Supply. Took me, I should say, and we needed some chicken feed for the meat birds, for the broilers. Those things are eating a gallon of food a day, drinking a gallon of water a day, and of course it goes right through them. What a mess, those little birds. Tiny little things. Their total body mass is less than one of our legs, and those things eat and drink more than all of my family combined in a day. It's mind-blowing what they can go through in a day. Anyway, Tractor Supply had these on clearance for $1 a bag, and that is chicken bedding for the chicken coop. That is like a couple years supply of chicken bedding for the chicken coop. That is a really, really good deal. And obviously Tractor Supply keeps it outside on pallets anyway, so I wasn't too concerned leaving it here for now. Really amazing buy for $1 a bag, and we grabbed every bag they had. So anyway, that's pretty much it unless something comes up. Just a very brief update. It is beautiful though. The pine trees look very pretty. with the snow on them. But honestly, we've had our share of it. We're done. Everybody around here, after having the sun and the beautiful sunny weather and the nice days with no jackets, are now not pleased with the snow. We got a little bit spoiled there for a while, I guess. Winter has not let go. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, this is what happens when there's snow on the ground outside and two people bring the snowball fight into the house. We're outside and we came inside. Look. And into the bathroom. The entire house is covered in snow. Well, one thing, Melanie is not afraid of snow. That's for sure.
I walk without socks.
She ran out barefoot and I went out in my socks right behind her. We battled it. We had a battle outdoors and that ended up indoors.
Now clean.